Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a neat little trick for Monopoly Go, that is how to use airplane mode to preview your stickers vault before actually opening it. So if you are trying to complete your album or just aiming for specific stickers, this tip could be a game changer for you. Now you might be wondering, why would I need to do this actually? Well, let's say you are waiting for that one elusive sticker. So using this trick, you can see if you will get it from the vault or if you should hold off and try your luck later. So it is a smart way of manage your resources and ensure you are not wasting them on vaults and that won't help you out. So here is how it works. So if you have two devices, and then you just have to set up Monopoly Go in them. First, you need to put one device in airplane mode and open a vault. Since there is no internet connection, the game won't sync immediately, allowing you to see what would get. If you like the result, that is great. If not, don't worry, just switch to your other device and roll a few times and then sync it back. So this ensures that the unsatisfactory results aren't saved. One key to watch out for this, making sure the game doesn't automatically trade away your valuable stickers. So you need to double check that no 4 or 5-star stickers are being selected before you finalize any trades. The game can sometimes be sneaky, so it's always good to be cautious. If you are not happy with what's the vault, there is a way to change it, but it comes with a cost. You will need to open a different vault first, which will refresh the contents of the one you want to change. So keep in mind, though this doesn't guarantee better results, but it does give you a chance to reset the stickers available. So that's it for today's tip. If this trick worked for you, or if you have any other strategies for the managing your vault, you can drop a comment below. And don't forget, there is a sticker boom coming tomorrow, so good luck. Thank you so much for watching. I will catch you in the next one.